In this video we will talk about skin care, all about sensitive skin care. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Sensitive skin care is governed by a few basic rules. However, even before we delve into the rules for sensitive skin care, it's important to understand what a sensitive skin is. Sensitive skin is one which is unable to tolerate any unfavorable conditions, environmental, other, and which easily gets irritated on contact with foreign materials, including skin care products. For this reason, some products are especially labeled as sensitive skin care products. The degree of sensitivity can however vary from person to person, and depending on that, the sensitive skin care procedures vary too. Generally, all skin types respond negatively to detergents and other chemical-based products. However, the damage starts generally beyond a defined threshold or tolerance level. This tolerance level is very low for sensitive skin types, leading to skin getting damaged very easily and quickly. Sensitive skin care products either avoid the potential irritants or keep them at very low concentrations. Here are a few tips for sensitive skin care. Number 1. Use sensitive skin care products only, i.e. the products that are marked for sensitive skin care only. Also, check the instructions, notes on the product to see if there are specific restrictions, warnings associated with the product. Number 2. Even within the range of sensitive skin care products, choose the one that has minimum preservatives, colorings and other additives. Number 3. Do not use toners. Most of them are alcohol-based and are not recommended for sensitive skin. Number 4. Wear protective gloves when doing laundry or other chemical-based cleaning. If you are allergic to rubber, you can wear cotton gloves below the rubber ones. Number 5. Another important tip for sensitive skin care is to avoid excessive exposure to sun. Apply sunscreen lotion before getting out in the sun. Number 6. Avoiding exposure to dust and other pollutants is also important for sensitive skin care. So, cover yourself adequately before going out. Number 7. Use hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic moisturizer as a sensitive skin care product, if there is none specifically labeled as a sensitive skin care product. Number 8. Use soap-free and alcohol-free cleansers. Cleanse your face whenever you return from spending time outdoors. Number 9. Do not scrub or exfoliate too hard. It can cause reddishness and even inflammation. Number 10. Do not leave the makeup on for too long. Use hypoallergenic makeup removers. So, sensitive skin care is very different from the normal skin care. Sensitive skin care is more about being careful with your skin, both in terms of sensitive skin care products and protection against environment's atrocities on skin. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.